everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you an Italian salad dressing recipe. It's so easy and delicious. Let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The first thing we will need is olive oil. We will need 1.5 cup of olive oil. The second thing we need is 1/2 cup of red wine vinegar. We will need 1 garlic. We will need 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, ½ teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of black pepper. And we will need ½ teaspoon of red crushed pepper. We will need 1 teaspoon of honey. Now let's mix it. Now grab any jar that you guys have at home. And now let's shake it. Alright guys, now we have an Italian dressing recipe that we can keep in our fridge up to 1 week. It's so easy and delicious. Let me know if you guys have tried it or not, or if you liked it or not. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!